In this video, I will tell you how to hide COD for product tag with no COD. So for this, I have used advanced cash on delivery app. You can also install the same app from Shopify App Store, and I have also attached the link of this app in the description box. You can check it out. Once installed, then click on advanced cash on delivery button. Then you need to click on limit COD based on product configure button. Then you need to select your payment method, that is cash on delivery. If you have already added fee for cash on delivery, you need to toggle on this button and add your delivery method here. We don't have any fee for cash on delivery, so I am toggling off this button. Then click on product tag option. Then change the status to enabled, and from match time drop down, select hide COD for this product tag and add the name of the tag here, that is no COD. Now the tag has been added and save your changes. So in the product section here, I have already added a tag to a particular product, that is no COD. I have already added this tag. So now we will test this on our online store. Go to your catalog and add this particular product to your cart and check if COD is available or not. Just select the full address. So here we can see only prepaid options are available for this particular product. Now we will test this on any another product. Now we will add address here. So here we can see cash on delivery is available. So that's it. You have successfully set up how to hide COD for product tag with no COD. If you like this video, then do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy selling.